Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Spec Info, and today I'm gonna show you how can you make the Google form. Okay, so let's start. And before that, if you are new to my channel, so subscribe me and press on the notification icon to get my latest video notification. So to make the Google form, we will require one browser with internet. Okay, so I'm using your Google Chrome. So let's open the browser, and I will type Google Forms and just click on the enter. Okay, and you will get this first link from the google.com. Just click on it and it will redirect you to this page, and just select this personal option. Go to Google Form and you will get the multiple themes over here for your forms. Okay, you can create the form from the here. You will get the themes like contact information, event registration, and many more. So I will start with the blank. Okay, so click on the blank and you will get this form where you can add the title of your form, description of your form, and you can start with the question. Okay, so that starts with the title of the form. So I will type the title as my channel name, that is Spec Info, and description will be YouTube channel. Okay, now you can add the question over here. You can, okay, let's start with the question. So I will type the question like, how are you? Okay, and this question will require space to type the answer. Okay, this will not work for multiple choice question. Just go to this bar and select the short answer, so it will give the answer space for the short answer text. Okay, now if you want to give this answer as question as compulsory answer, then you can just check this required option. So you can check this option. If you don't want this question as required to answer, then you can uncheck this box. Okay, now for adding the another question, you just go to this plus icon over here, just click on it and you will get the another option for second question. Now I will type for multiple choice question like, you like my videos videos. Okay, so the answers of this question will be either yes or no. Okay, so in the first option for my multiple choice question, I will give the answer as yes, and in give the another option, just click on this add option, just select that and it just give us no. Okay, it will also give the option for add other. You can also add other. Okay, if you don't wanna add this, you can just select this cancel remove option, cancel one. Okay, so I will remove that. Now you can give this question also as required or not required, as you wish. Now our form is ready. Now to give the theme to this form and to change the color, just go to this customize theme option, just click on it and you can change the color of your form from here. Okay, if you want to give some theme or image above the form, then you can select the image from here, choose an image, so just click on it and it will give you some random multiple uh, themes for your form. Okay, you can also upload your picture from your upload or you can search the photos. Okay, I'm going with themes and I will give some basic theme for my form, for example this one. Okay, and just select that and click on the insert option. Now your theme has been inserted to your form. Now my theme and my color of the form is doesn't matching. Okay, so you can change the color of your form from here, theme color. Okay, so I will give this or this look perfect. Okay, now you can also give the background to your form, the color which appear here. Okay, so I will give the background color as this. Now all the, okay, you can change the font style also from here. So I will give the font as payful. Okay, so you can see my font has been changed. Now after doing this all the customization of your form, you can cancel this one, and to view how the person will see this form on his browser when you share that, you want to see that, then you can just click on this preview button over here, just icon, just click on it, and this is how the user will look your form. Okay, so it's look very good. You can make one. Okay, now after the person enter the responses, you can see the responses over here. Okay, so to check the responses after sometimes, again go to the Google Forms, just type the Google Forms in the same browser from where you have created with the same Google account, and just go to the personal one. Okay, again, and you will get the option of how many forms you have created. It will show here. For example, we have created now this one, so you can click on that and you can check the response from here. Okay, that's it guys. This is how you can make this simple Google form and you can collect the responses from the persons. If you want to make an advanced and very beautiful form and with more features, and if you want to collect the responses in a spreadsheet in a detailed manner, then I'm gonna make one video. Just subscribe my channel and I'm gonna upload that video in short time. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching my video.